Good morning, everyone. Welcome back here again to my kitchen design. So we just finished all the walls, all the preparation today. Walls, ceiling, the flooring was already done about a week ago, and then I just had it paint with powder room. So now we can clear out the area, and then we can start installing the cabinet. The cabinets all over here, right? This kitchen is a small kitchen, but we're gonna have like a small island right here. So let me point it out, like how exactly the plan is. So this is the plan. So this plan here, it's going on this side, and then this one, it's gonna be going on this side, and this one here, that's gonna be the island. All right. All right. So let's start. Either way, that side. I prefer going in that side. All right, so we're down mounting of the island. Okay, it's leveled, everything is good. Now we can slide it in all the drawers. Alright, the island is done. All secured and not good. Next one, now we're going to do the side panel and the back panel. Here we're done on this wall, and that's the island there. So now we're going to be working on the fridge cabinet like this. base cabinet. What's your step? Let me get my measurement.
I bought a white coat. Yeah.
All right, guys. So what we're doing today, right now, is the crown molding. So as you can see right now, right, all the boxes are all in places. So now we're gonna start the risers first. So that is the panel that we're going to strip it out into a riser. It's 30 by 8, I think. Yeah. All right, so I'm ready to go. Okay. All right, so right now we're done with the riser. So same thing here. So now what we're gonna do now is the crown molding. We're just gonna start on the stove side first. All right. we're done on this side. So now we're gonna go the other side here. Now we're gonna do the fridge side now. All right. Alright guys, so we're now done on the crown moldings. I have here. All I gotta do now is just do the gaps, fill up the gaps with the caulking. Right, like those ones. All right. Alright guys, so I just got everything finished today except the light balance, because we have to wait for the light balance. We need the countertop first, backsplash, before I install the light balance. Alright, so that's how it looks. It would have been nice if I have everything with the countertop, everything. Then you'll see the difference, right? Yeah. All right.